In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a trademark symbol in Adobe Photoshop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add the registered trademark symbol to your text on both Windows and Mac, and how to make it look clean and professional within your design. Start by getting your text ready. In the toolbar on the left side of your screen, choose the Type tool. You can also press the T key to switch to it instantly. This ensures you're working with a text layer, which is the easiest way to add and style the symbol alongside your words. Click once on your canvas to create a text box. If Photoshop drops in placeholder text you don't need, just highlight it and press the delete key to clear it. You can type your brand name or any wording first, and then place the cursor exactly where you want the symbol to appear. Keeping your insertion point accurate helps the symbol land in the right spot without extra moving around later. Now let's insert the symbol. On Windows, hold down the Alt key and type 0174 on the numeric keypad, then release Alt. Make sure numlock is on, and use the dedicated number pad rather than the numbers at the top of the keyboard. When you release the key, the registered trademark symbol appears. On a Mac, it's even simpler. Press Option and R together and the symbol will appear instantly. If it doesn't show up as expected, check that your text layer is active and your cursor is in the text box. With the symbol in place, you can style it to match your design. Select just the symbol by dragging over it, then use the options bar at the top to choose a font, adjust the size, and change the color. Most fonts support the registered trademark character, but if it looks odd, try switching to the same font as your main text for consistency. For a polished typographic look, many designers make the symbol slightly smaller than the surrounding text and raise it a bit. You can do this by opening the character panel and using baseline shift to nudge it upward, and kerning to tighten or loosen the space next to it. Subtle adjustments go a long way in keeping your layout balanced. And that's it. You've added a trademark symbol in Photoshop, styled it, and aligned it with your text for a professional finish. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and tutorials.